Hello, my name is Brian Beach. I am at MACC for CIT Class 250, and I will be going over my Linux 2 project that is due by the end of the semester. The project that I will be doing is the Smart Mirror, as it says on this little article right here. This article actually helped me out with finding all the information and tools that will be necessary, and I will show you that here in a second. The main value for this project is that it should give me a good grade, I hope, by the end of the semester, well, by the time I am done with it. And its value for whoever wants it could be anyone that is looking for a mirror by chance, or someone that is just looking for an upgrade in their mirror. This will also be valuable because of the information that it could give to me and the experience of building a kind of device that is like this. Um, the intended hardware that will be involved is actually all listed right here. So these are actually optional right here, the LED strips and the MHZ sender. But everything else is all things that I will have to buy at the store and put together all myself, like the Raspberry Pi that will be included, and the monitor with the picture frame and one-way mirror, and then the wooden slates to hold everything together, and then all the wires and cords and cables, and as well as a drill to finalize everything and put it all together. It shows all the prices and everything for the picture frame, the one-way mirror, the Raspberry Pi, all listed right there. Looks like it's listed around maybe $200 or so. By the time it's done, I believe it will look very good, but it all depends on the construction that I do with it. Uh, the special, what is special about this project is, well, for me personally, is that I would be the one that would put it together. I would be the one that would finalize it and just label it as my own when I am done with it. The expected problems could be within the code. It could be just the general construction of the mirror. By the time it's done, though, it will be very much worth it, and I will have a lot more knowledge coming out of it. Uh, but besides that, I believe I have no more to talk about. But by the time I am done with this mirror, and hopefully it'll look good for you, but by the time I turn it in or present it and show all the general layouts and everything of the mirror. Thank you for listening. Again, my name is Brian Beach, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.